don't forget to subscribe
on the channel.
We are going out for our normal Isheshe journey. So don't forget
to subscribe.
Ilora, Osogbo, Ife, Badagry, I think I've mentioned Oyo. So I think we're traveling, we'll stay like I think a week. So wish us a safe journey. Thank you.
Safe journey. It's a Shagbe wow. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Get a Better TV. So as I was just passing by in Oyo town, so I saw a location I would like to share with you. Now I'm right there now, Ifa Heritage Institute in Oyo. As you can see, these are the subjects they offered. So this is part of my Isheshe journey. So I just came across this institute, and I'm sure not all of us are aware of this. Even myself, I'm not aware of this institute. But this is wow. I'm in Oyo town. This is Oyo town. Oyo. Hi guys, so this is the website. This is the website of this Ifa Heritage Institute. This is the website, ifaheritage.org. So I want to read to you what a brief history of the Ifa Heritage Institute by Professor Wande Abimbola. So let me just read it to you guys so that you know more about the institute. You know, in November 2005, UNESCO proclaimed Ifa, along with 85 other traditions of the world, as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. In the year 2006, UNESCO got a grant from the Japanese government to establish programs of safeguarding and sustaining and sustainability for 20 of the 86 traditions, including Ifa. That was how the Ifa Heritage Institute was granted. That was how the Ifa Heritage Institute was created in the year 2008 with a grant of $80,000 from the Japanese government through UNESCO, and a counterpart fund of $137,000 from the federal government of Nigeria. Unfortunately, the federal government of Nigeria never fulfilled their own part of the bargain. However, an NGO created by Professor Wande Abimbola under the name Global Forum for Yoruba Religion and Culture decided to make sure that the support promised by the Japanese government was not lost. Professor Wande Abimbola therefore found money from his own personal resources to continue the program, even without monetary support from the federal government of Nigeria. He has almost single-handedly provided funds for the construction of two huge structures housing staff offices, classrooms, conference halls, kitchen, restrooms, storage rooms, and a bed space for international students. The assistant to the president, Mr. Ifa Boyede, MC Herwin Aji Shebo Abimbola, also donated our salaries received from the UNESCO to the development of the school. Guys, I won't be able to read all of this history. You can go to the website and read by yourself, ifaheritage.org. You know, that's the website to read more about this location that I just showed you guys. So Ifa Heritage Institute is a place to learn not only about Ifa, but Yoruba traditions in general and culture. So when you visit this website, you can read more about it. So let me check the summary of what this institution. Okay, you know, the website says, this is a website. This is a website. So in case you want to check it out, if you want to read more about what is going on there, you know. So hello Yawa. Hello. Yeah. Ibẹ̀ mo ń dóde yín kẹ́ ṣe tán ni mo wà ní hotel ní Bangodi àyàbí kí náà kúrúkọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èmi mo lè fi Google check ẹ̀. Mo lè fi Google check ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Joshua lọ rà àbí? Okay, kò sí wàhálà. Junction, màá ṣáà ní mo lọ sí junction ẹ̀ lọ rà. All right. Ìdí ìgbà. Okay. Ní sùúrù. Yes, I check it. So this is the website. You guys can read. You can read and know more about this Ifa Heritage Institute. You know. So it says that welcome. The Ifa Heritage Institute Nigeria is the only higher education institution in the world that specializes in the study of all aspects of Yoruba indigenous culture. In November 2005, UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, proclaimed Ifa as one of the 86 traditions of the world to be regarded as masterpieces of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. UNESCO then enjoined all nations and peoples of the world to give their unflinching support to these traditions so that they would not perish. The Ifa Heritage Institute is a post-secondary institution in Oyo Town, Oyo State, Nigeria, sponsored in part by UNESCO and endorsed by the federal government of Nigeria. The objective of the institution is the institute is the preservation and propagation of Ifa as an indigenous African body of knowledge within the setting of a modern and contemporary educational system. So guys, you can check out the website to know more about this Ifa Heritage Institute. So this is exactly what I'm talking. I'm not just talking about on this page that we can rebrand our Ifa to be a world class knowledge, you know. So thank you guys. Bye bye.